was looking out the window and saw, I can't zoom with this camera, but I saw that little bit of clouds right there, and it was really starting to rotate. Looks like while I was getting my phone, it stopped rotating, but right over the house that I'm more or less focused on right now, and it's still looking like it's trying to form something, but can't really tell what. But it is starting to look kind of nasty around here. You probably can't really see it, but these big clouds are moving different directions. Like, look right up there, and I can see a little bit of rotation. It should be just about in the center of the screen. I can't really tell. If you look right up here, it sure looks like there's rotation right there, just right above me. Although there's nothing coming down towards the ground yet. I've had the TV on all day, but I haven't heard anything about any thunderstorms or any major storms of any kind. But this right here is looking pretty nasty. Yeah, I probably better save my batteries. If anything comes up, or comes down, I guess I should say, I'll try to come back. I still think the pictures are going to look pretty neat, though. I haven't really taken any video with this camera, so we'll see how it looks. Maybe I'll see y'all later.